Hi, I'm Sophie Chapman and I'm an engagement advisor at Lincolnshire Co. My role involves supporting our colleagues' wellbeing and also working with young people like you to develop their employability skills and also explore the great career opportunities we can offer. You'll soon be hearing from my colleague Kirsty about how we're sustainable as a business. But first, here's a quick overview of how we work at Lincolnshire Co-op.
We're a cooperative business, which means we're owned by our members. Our members can vote on key decisions we make and have a say in how the business is ran. They also have a share of our profits. Our purpose is to bring together ideas, energy, and resources to make life better in our communities. And here you can see some of the ways we achieve this. Working in our communities is a huge part of what we do, such as volunteering projects and fundraising for local good causes. You may be surprised by how many services we offer our communities across Lincolnshire and beyond. Our largest business area is our food stores, which includes filling stations and also our own craft bakery near Newark called Gadsby's. As well as our 49 pharmacies, we also have a pharmacy warehouse and pharmacy hub, where we provide a vital service, packaging and delivering medication to hospitals and directly to customers who are unable to travel to our pharmacy branches. We support local people further with our post offices, funeral and travel branches, and assist our colleagues from our head office, which is made up of many different teams, such as human resources, learning and development, membership, design and payroll. Across our business, we employ nearly 3,000 colleagues who work together to be helpful, inspiring and trustworthy. If you'd like to find out more about Lincolnshire Co-op, why not visit our website? I'll now hand over to Kirsty.
Hi, my name is Kirsty Hunter and I'm the Sustainability Advisor at Lincolnshire Co-op. Sustainability is all about being able to meet our current needs, whilst also ensuring we can still meet the needs of people in the future and without causing further damage to our planet, climate or society. At Lincolnshire Co-op, one of our key purposes is to look after our local environment. And my role as Sustainability Advisor is to help develop and deliver projects and campaigns that support Lincolnshire Co-op's environment strategy. This means that I work across the entire business, from food to funerals and all our other departments, to report on our sustainability progress, improve green spaces around our stores, and also to educate our colleagues and members about sustainability and the environment. I also work to build a network of contacts and access local knowledge to explore solutions for local issues. At Lincolnshire Co-op, we have an internal environment group, and this is made up of people from across our business. The group works to develop strategies and to implement solutions to improve the sustainability of Lincolnshire Co-op. We find it's important to have representatives from across the business, as many people's roles have some involvement with the environment. So how did I get into my green career? Well, I've always been passionate about the environment, and I've taken inspiration from people like David Attenborough, who have dedicated their lives to improving the planet and the natural world. I became interested in what I could do to help reduce my impact on the environment and how I could also help the planet. I've always enjoyed the outdoors and nature, and through my time at school, I found an interest in geography. My interest in this led me to do a degree in geography, and I followed this up with a master's in environmental management. During my time at college and university, I was able to learn so much about the environment and sustainability, and I knew I wanted to pursue this in the future. Alongside my education, I've always been involved in outdoor volunteering, nature projects, and local community projects. For me, sustainability is always interesting because it's constantly changing and grown over time. Nowadays, it's an increasingly important issue across the world. There are many careers today that have some involvement with the environment. Working in the green sector allows me to meet and work alongside others that have passion for the environment and improve my skills in research, project development, and communication. I love being able to work in a role where I feel like I can have a real positive impact on both the environment and society, and hopefully I can inspire others to do the same. Let me tell you about some of the things that we're doing at Lincolnshire Co to be more sustainable. We've been measuring our carbon emissions for several years, and we're always looking at ways to reduce our impact through energy efficient lighting and replacing older equipment. We're also looking to set some targets to make sure we're doing everything we can to reduce our emissions. For the last 15 years, 100% of our electricity used in outlets has been green, and we're powered by wind farms. We also look at ways to reduce energy use wherever possible. For example, we have doors on our fridges that reduce energy use by around 27%. We offer soft plastic recycling in 87 of our food stores, so our customers can recycle things like bread bags and chocolate wrappers. And the soft plastics that we collect in our stores are recycled and turned into things like bin liners and construction materials. We also send zero waste to landfill, so all our waste is reused, recycled, composted, or sent to energy recovery. To help look after the local environment and to cut food waste, we sell some products which are past their best before date at reduced prices, and this has reduced food waste by around 37%. We've also worked with national food redistribution charity FareShare to set up a new redistribution hub in Lincoln. We offer our colleagues the opportunity to spend 2 days a year volunteering, and this year many of our colleagues chose to take part in green initiatives, and in total we've helped clean up 20 green spaces in our local communities. In our funeral business, our most affordable coffins are all eco coffins, and since September 2021, around a third of customers have made this eco choice. 100% of the palm oil in our Co-op branded food products is sustainably sourced and certified. We have rapid electric car charging points at 12 of our sites. We're also planning to install charge points at our offices, warehouses, and some businesses to encourage colleagues to go electric, and also to allow us to switch our business vehicles as well. We are investing in electric and hybrid vehicles where they're a practical possibility. We've recently received 4 plug-in hybrid funeral vehicles and have 2 new electric vans on order. We've decided to remove plastic bags from our stores and swapped them for a 100% compostable carrier bag, which costs 10 pence. And the money from these carrier bags goes to our community champion scheme and to support environmental initiatives.